Welcome back to the Happy Chicken Coop YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us. If you crack open an egg from your flock and it feels soft, bendy, or breaks in your hand, don't panic. It happens to many chicken keepers. Eggs with thin shells are more fragile, messy, and sometimes unsafe for your hens because they can break in the nest box. The good news is that thin eggshells usually have simple causes, and you can fix them with a few easy changes. And that's what we'll discuss in this video. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also check out our website at thehappychickencoop.com or subscribe to our email newsletters for tips and tricks in raising a backyard flock. Thin eggshells happen when something affects the hen's ability to create a strong, solid shell. Chickens need the right nutrients, a calm environment, and good health to make high-quality eggs. If one of these areas is off, it can show up in the eggs they lay. As soon as you find the cause, you can prevent it from happening again. So how do you deal with thin eggshells? First, you have to make sure your chickens get enough calcium. Calcium is the #1 ingredient hens need to make strong egg shells. If they don't get enough, the shells come out thin, soft, or cracked. So how do you boost their calcium intake? You can give them oyster shells to a separate dish, offer clean, baked, and crushed eggshells to them, use a layer feed made for egg-laying hens, and avoid giving them too many treats. Calcium helps the shell become stronger, thicker, and healthier. Second, don't forget vitamin D. Even if your hens eat plenty of calcium, they can't use it without vitamin D. Vitamin D helps their bodies absorb calcium from food. They can get it from the sunlight, vitamin D-enriched layer feed, and supplements recommended by a vet. Sunshine is one of the easiest ways to help. If your hens stay inside too much, thin eggshells can happen more often. Third, give them balanced nutrition. Treats are fun, but too many treats reduce the nutrients your hens need for shell production. Layer feed should always be their main diet. A good feeding habit comprises 90% layer feed and 10% healthy treats. You should also offer a constant supply of fresh water and never rely on scratch grains alone. Fourth, reduce the stress in the flock. Chickens get stressed easily. Loud noises, predators, overcrowding, or even bullying can affect how well they lay eggs. Some ways you can do to help lower your flock's stress are give them plenty of space, keep their nesting boxes clean, keep the predators away, keep routines consistent, and provide them with hiding spots or perches. Calm hen is a productive hen. Less stress means stronger shells. Fifth, check for illnesses or infections. Sometimes thin eggs come from illnesses like respiratory infections, reproductive problems, and internal parasites. If only one hen lays thin eggs over and over, she may have a health issue. Signs you should watch out for are lethargy, poor appetite, dirty feathers, drop in egg production, and strange egg shapes. When in doubt, ask a poultry vet for advice. Sixth, protect your hens from weather stress. The weather can affect egg quality. Extreme heat or cold makes the hen's body work harder, which can lead to thin shells. If it's extremely hot, make sure to give them shade in summer. If it's winter, always add clean bedding. Keep their water fresh and not frozen, and make sure that the wind cannot blow directly on them. For more tips, check out our definitive guide to keeping chickens in winter in this link. Good weather protection will keep your hens happy and healthy. Seventh, improve nesting box comfort. Sometimes hens lay thin eggs because of where they lay. Hard or uncomfortable surfaces can cause shells to crack easily. To prevent this from happening, make sure to use soft bedding like straw or pine shavings. Keep their boxes clean and dry. Have one box for every 3 to 4 hens, and make their boxes quiet and private. A happy hen lays better eggs with stronger shells. One more thing to remember is age can affect shell thickness. Older hens naturally lay thinner shells. Their bodies can process calcium as well as the younger hens. To support them, make sure to offer them extra oyster shells, reduce their stress, keep their coops warm and dry, and provide them with high-quality feed. Older hens may not return to thick shells, but you can still improve their overall health and egg safety. You should also check for hidden egg eaters. If shells get too thin, some hens might start eating them. This can turn into a bad habit. To prevent egg eating, make sure to collect eggs often. Fix the thin shell problems early. Keep the nesting boxes dim and give hens enough protein. Stopping this habit early is important because egg eating is hard to break later on. Sometimes hens need more than feed alone. Supplements help fill nutritional gaps. Some helpful supplements you must ask your vet about are oyster shells, crushed eggshells, vitamin D powders, and calcium pills. Always follow a veterinarian's instructions because too much calcium can harm hens as well. Also, you'll want to monitor egg changes over time. If you want to know whether your changes are working, keep an eye on your hen's eggs. Keep track of their shell thickness, the shell texture, overall egg size, color or odd shapes, and which hens lay which eggs. Small improvements over weeks show your flock is getting healthier. And lastly, create a long-term health plan. Fixing thin shells isn't just about one step. It's a habit you build into your regular chicken care routine. A good long-term plan includes consistent feeding, proper supplements, clean, safe housing, stress-free flock management, regular coop checks, and weather protection. The more consistent you are, the better your hen's eggs will be. If you want to read our full article about thin eggshells, please click this link to learn more. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please watch our other videos too, and stay tuned for our new uploads every Saturday. You can also check out our website at thehappychickencoop.com or subscribe to our email newsletters for daily tips and tricks in raising a backyard flock. Thanks for watching!